Hello traders, day trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and I wanted to bring you a market analysis for the week beginning the 29th of August. It should be a fun week. On Wednesday becomes 1st of September, so that's when we have the new month. It should be very interesting. What I'm watching for, we did have price move up last week, which was very nice. This is the S&P cash, if you're unaware, and I am looking for higher levels. We do have 45, 46, we have 45.61, 45.62. Of course, we have 46.10 above us, but I'm looking anywhere up here. 45.47, 45.62. Anywhere up there is looking nice. And where can price go at the moment? When starting on Monday, where can we actually see price go and what looks good? So over, I would say 44.93, 4,500 ideally, but over 44.93, we can see price support, hold levels, and start to push up. If price comes back down, we want to watch this first level. Firstly, 44.82, 44.8250, and then 44.74 and 68. So 44.74, 44.68. That's going to be the first level I'm going to watch. Of course, if it does pull back more from that, I'm going to watch this level, 44.35 and 44.31. So that's what I'm going to watch then. So we have this yellow line, this entire zone right here. And keep in mind, it can come back down here. So 43.62 to 43.58, that can be a possibility. Can it come slightly lower and support? That can be a thing. However, we have all of this support here, so we want to be aware, where is our supports that we're watching, where are the supports that we can see something break down. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So this is going to be the first support. If it does support here and push up, look for 45.40 plus. If it comes a little lower, we want to see a support going to happen here. Is it going to happen slightly lower? Is it going to come back down here? If it starts breaking levels, then we do want to be aware that this is a possibility. 43.10 down to 43.02, and of course we do have lower levels. However, this was a beautiful move up. Last week was very nice. We did move up, had a little bit of a pullback, and just kept going, which was beautiful. Looking for definitely some higher levels. Could price pull back from here? It definitely could, but I'm looking at higher targets. So that's what I'm watching for this week. This area first, and then this support, and then most likely we get that larger pullback. It comes down here, supports, and then we get a move higher. So really just have to wait and see what actually does transpire. Let's get into the news of the week. So starting Monday, it is a English holiday. We do have 10 o'clock U.S. news, pending home sales month over month. Going into Tuesday, we have at 9 o'clock HPI month over month, the S&P Case-Shiller Composite 20 HPI year over year. 9:45 Chicago PMI, that could add some volatility. 10 o'clock consumer confidence, that also could add a little volatility to the markets. And then going into Wednesday we have OPEC meetings all day. Unless something huge comes out, I don't see that being a factor. 9:30 we do have 8:15 we have ADP non-farm employment change. So that's something to pay attention to. That can definitely add some volatility pre-market. At 9:45 we have final manufacturing PMI, and at 10 o'clock we have ISM manufacturing PMI. Could see some volatility coming around 10 o'clock. We have a slew of other numbers, construction spending, manufacturing prices, and Ward's total vehicle sales. 10:30 we have crude oil inventories, and at 12 p.m. FOMC member Bostic is going to speak. That is Wednesday going into Thursday. At 8:30 in the morning we have unemployment claims, revised non-farm productivity, revised unit labor costs, both quarter over quarter, trade balance. At 10 o'clock, factory orders month over month. 10:30, nat gas storage. And at 1 o'clock, Bostic is going to speak again. Going into Friday, at 8:30 in the morning, we have average hourly earnings month over month, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate. Those can definitely add some volatility to the markets. 8:30, so pre-market volatility is always good. At 9:45 we have final services PMI, and at 10 o'clock ISM services PMI. That could also add some nice volatility. So we have a pretty good week. We have some nice levels to watch, looking for targets above, but really just have to wait and see what does play out. Monday should be kind of interesting. Maybe it sets the tone for the week, maybe it doesn't. So it's going to be very interesting to see what does play out. We want to watch those initial levels to see if we do get support, and then really go from there. So with that, thanks for watching. If you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, you can always leave them in the comments below. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the markets. Thanks and take care.